Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually did an intro before, but that intro is not it is not introing. You get it? But this one is giving. This one is like I'm a bad bitch. This one is like I'm a trophy wife. The other one is like I'm a housewife. No, I'm a trophy wife. I'm a hot girl, a hot baby, queen and more. I'm going to show you guys how I went from a normal housewife to a trophy wife. I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. I look weird right now, but trust me, the next 2 seconds, I'm going to be hot. I'm going to be popping. There's a hairstylist here and a makeup artist. They don't want to show on camera. Anyways, let's go right into the video. We have started doing the hair. How do I look? She's using luxury products to do my makeup. This is Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I've always liked this. I've heard so much about this.
Please hold me close and let me stay until the sunrise. Just say you'll hold me forever, at least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but
You want a new wife?
let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 And I said let me stay a No, no, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight. 'Cause I know how this works, I got my ABCs right. Oh, so let's play pretend. Say you'll be the one
Shit
for
is
me.
loading.
Say you'll be the one
Oh.
for me forever. I know this will end tonight, but you'll be the one
Trash.
for me. Say you'll be the one for me. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay
Oh,
the night.
this is nice.
I said let me stay a while.
Guys, I'm fainting. Please let me go and sleep and rest.
I said let me stay a while.
Hey guys, so my mom sent me some things from the east. So I need to go out now and pick it up from God is Good Park. She said that the bag is so big, but you know, I already told her the things to buy, majorly fruit and okpa. But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys, okay? All right? I'm so excited and I wish to share with you guys. So send me your address. Look at you. Look at your face. You're like, yeah, no, my darling. By the time you're watching this video, all these fruits and perishable goods have been finished. So I'm coming, guys. I need to go. The driver is closed. See the bag. Yam? What's written on this yam? Guys, see. Is this thing spells like whore? W-H-O-R. I don't know. Who? W-H-O? Is this whore? Ah, the pear is bad. This is the pear. And it's soft. This is upper. There's like 7 pieces here. Hold on. Can you see? This is chileku, ichoku. So you open it like this, then you see the inside. nice. It's a lot. The most painful one is this pear. It's so annoying and painful. Hello, mommy. Thank you, ma. Oh, there you go. Ngwa later, oh. Dalo. Bye bye. One. I'm out on a date. On a date. But I just got here and I don't like this IMAX. So I told my date, if you don't take me out of this place now, what you will see, you will not like it. He's laughing. I said, if you don't take me out from this place this second, before I open my eyes and close. He said, I'm sorry, ma. Now, we're going to the next location. Overthinking, no, there's no problem. That's fun. Hey! Shake it! Moving! Bouncy! Chop life before life chop you. Who are you? I'm on my way to go meet up with my friend. She came back from the UK. I have some fruits, like the fruit my mom sent to me. I have some Odara and Chiliku I'm gonna give her. I hope she likes it. Then I gave some to the woman I normally buy African salad from. I think this mic is acting up. I don't know why, because I've recorded this thing like twice and the voice is so annoying. The sound is so annoying rather. I wanted to say something. I realized something that sometimes we want to heal. We'll heal, and overheal ourselves that now we try to stay away from people. Does it make sense? Like, you've healed so much that you've put this protective barrier that no, I'm now careful about people. No, I don't want to meet more people. I don't want to go into relationship or friendship ship. We can never fully heal. Oh. That's the funny thing. When you think you've healed, then some things happen, and that's like the event triggers your past hurt, and you're like, God, I thought I've moved on from this. What's happening? Why am I going back again? So I'm just saying, like, keep taking steps, keep meeting people, but you've learned from your past mistake. So you don't have to put so much protective barrier. Anyways, guys, I will show you guys the things I got when I get home, okay? I'm tired. The sun is too much. So I'm home and here is the package. I hope you're not expecting to see like a house size of package. So here I have a light, then some makeup products. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is a makeup product. It is called Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray. It primes and sets for up to 16 hours. I've heard so much about this setting spray. You guys know I cannot put this on my face now because I've done my skincare. I can't go and put makeup products or chemical on my face. Here, hold on. This is my baby. My baby. This is Laura Mercier Honey Translucent Setting Powder. Mwah. Oh, baby. Mwah. Baby. Mwah. I already have the translucent, but I wanted to get like a bigger one, the honey, to see the difference. There's no difference with the two colors. Though. Is my eye paining me? Okay, yeah. Okay, I can see. Can you guys see the difference? Can you guys see? Hold on. Wait. This is a little bit lighter than this. I just wanted to have the honey to see how it's like. Did not give me foam. There's no foam. I don't understand. Messi doesn't come with a phone. My friend ordered through Sephora. The last but not the least is my LED light. See my unboxing face as if I'm fighting war. So this is a rechargeable LED light, newer. Oh, it's so pretty. It's small. This is it. Man, the review about this light is superb. It uses battery. I'm gonna do a proper review of this light. Capish? Hey, this thing is bright. I'm not gonna lie. If I lie you, I'm gonna sleep naked. All these things were bought by my very good friend. Don't worry, the person knows thyself, so don't worry, relax. Thank you so much for this beautiful gift. Je t'apprécie beaucoup. Merci beaucoup aussi. Mwah, bisous. Anyways, guys, I need to go have dinner. Have a good night, guys, and thank you so much for sticking around with me in this video. And I'm gonna see you. Anyways.